Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can download photos from your iCloud to your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So, let's get to our topic. And first of all, you will need to open your phone settings on your iPhone. And then when you go to Settings, you'll need to select at the very top of the screen. Click on your name to go to your Apple ID. After that, right in the middle of the screen you find iCloud. And then you can also in the middle of the screen you can find the Photos option. And you click on that. And now actually, the only thing you'll need to do is make sure that you have synchronization between iCloud and iPhone enabled. What do you do to do that? Next to see this iPhone, if you have it turned off like I do, you'll just need to turn that button on. After that, you'll start synchronizing between your iPhone and iCloud and your photos. And once the synchronization is done, to make sure that your photos are already downloaded to your iPhone, you can just go to the gallery, open albums, and also check here to see if your photos are new. Friends, this is the way you can your iCloud on iPhone. I hope this video has helped you. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments and put your likes. See you soon.